Welcome to the library. Let's go see a show. When you have a bubble, what happens sometimes to the bubble? It what?
Pops.
It pops, but we have a song called I Am a Bubble, and we have to learn the popping part of it. Can you go like this? Can you go like this? Here's the hard one. Adults, I need you to help me with this one. Take your finger, wipe it off. Look at your nail. Everybody looking at your nail? Puff out your cheek. I got some good ones from big people. Go, keep going. Now, when we get to the popping sound, we're going to need you to help us pop. The first thing we're going to do is turn on a song called I Am a Bubble. I am a bubble, I am a bubble, big and round, big and round. Softly I'm floating, over the ground, over the ground. I am a bubble, I am a bubble, up, 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 up. I am a bubble, till I go pop. Okay. Now I have a question for you. Who can read it?
What is a
Go ahead, read it.
What is a bubble made of?
A little bit louder.
What is a bubble made of?
What is a bubble made of? That's our first question. Here is some bubble mix. What's in that mix? What? Soap. What else? Water. Now, is this a bubble now? Is that a bubble? What does it remind you of?
Jumper.
Yes, what's another name for a jumper? Yeah, trampoline. But it's not a bubble. I have to put something into that to make it a bubble. Do you know what?
Soap.
We have the soap. What?
We have to float around.
We have to float around, but we have to put something into it that we breathe all around us. I can't hear.
Air.
Yes, air. Okay, here comes the air. Let's see if it'll work. Oh. Now, these bubbles, thank you for not popping them. I don't get to pop your bubbles outside. I'm the only one get to pop my bubbles inside unless I ask. Let's see if I've got enough to do it again. Maybe. Now, when we see the bubble, we can blow it. A bubble is made of, so everybody read it.
A bubble is made of
Air, soap, and water. That's the first part of our lesson. Now, we are in the library, and when we're in the library, we have books. So I brought a book with me. It's called what? Bubble, Bubble. One day, as I was walking, I bumped into a bubble. It wasn't just one bubble, it was lots of bubbles. And they weren't just any kind of bubbles, they were magic bubbles. So I bought a magic bubble maker. And I said goodbye. And I started blowing bubbles. Magic bubbles. Lots of them. Everywhere. Now I'm going to walk around and you call out what you see in that picture. What do you see? A car. What else?
a boat.
A boat. What else?
A turtle.
A turtle.
A
Yes.
boat. I see a boat. Yeah, I see a car.
A rabbit. A car.
A
A what?
butterfly.
Oh my God. And a butterfly. So many things in that picture. But suddenly, something strange happened. Uh-oh, I thought, I have to do something quickly. What did he blow?
A snake.
A snake! I blew another bubble. What is a snake trying to do?
Eat him.
You're right, he's trying to eat him, so he blew another bubble. Let's see what he blew this time. What did he blow this time? A cat. And what is the cat doing?
Chasing the snake.
Why do you think cat's chasing the snake?
Because he's trying.
You're right. Well, it took care of that. And he blew another, he didn't blow another bubble this time. What did the cat do? Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
The what?
No, the snake popped. What'd the cat do now?
Oh, it's gonna eat.
Well, he's going after him. I don't know if he's going to eat him, if he's going after him. Uh-oh, I knew what to do. I blew another bubble. What did he blow this time, you think?
An elephant.
You're right, he blew an elephant. And the elephant did what?
Sucked up the cat.
He chased after the cat. I wasn't worried one bit until the elephant turned around and... What'd the elephant do?
Try to eat him.
He tried to go after and eat him. And I blew another bubble. This one's hard to see.
Mouse.
It's a mouse. And what is the mouse? Who's the mouse chasing?
The elephant.
The mouse is chasing the elephant. So he popped all the bubbles. Blowing bubbles made me tired, he said, and I went home. Everybody knows there's no such thing as a magic bubble. Now look who's unhappy. Who's unhappy here? The dragon or the serpent. Why do you think he's unhappy? You're right, because there's no more bubbles and the way it goes. Now, I have a question for you. We know there's magic bubbles here, but I have a question. And it says, read it to everybody.
What shape is a bubble?
Is it a triangle?
No.
Is it a circle?
Yes.
Is it a star?
No.
Is it a square?
No.
But we're scientists, and when we're scientists, we have to experiment and try. So put on your science hat. Everybody, science hats on.
I have
You need your science hat on. So we're going to take our bubble mix, and we're going to take some bubble wands. What's this? It's a star. And I'm going to put it in my mix. Is it going to come out like a star?
Yes.
Let's find out. I'm going to put some what into it? Air. Blow on it, blow on it, blow. Does it come out like a star?
No.
What does it come out like?
Circle.
Like a snowman. And what shape is it?
Circle.
It's a circle. What's this?
A frog.
Gotta test the frog. Let's test it. Uh-oh. Is it gonna come out like a frog? Well, we don't know for sure until we try it. Blow on it, blow. Okay, what? Oh, ow, you made lots of little bubbles when you did that. What's this? Don't pop it, don't pop it. Let it go by itself. What's this, a heart? Is it gonna come out like a heart?
Yes.
I don't know, I gotta check it.
That's a nice eye.
Does it come out like a heart?
No.
Blow it, I'm gonna blow it over you. Blow it around, see what happens. Keep blowing, don't pop them. Okay, you see when you blow it goes way up in the air. Okay, I'll pop this
It
one.
makes a lot of tiny bubbles.
It does, it made a lot of tiny bubbles, but what shape are they?
I can still.
What's this? It's a square, it's a strawberry basket. Look at the bottom, what shape do you see?
A square.
You see squares, okay, we're gonna try this one.
Why don't you brush your hair?
Did it come out like squares? All right, but here's
I think
one.
yes. I think so.
What's this?
Square.
What's my big people, what do you call it?
A cube.
Sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't, so we'll try this, okay? I'm going to get the whole cube wet, completely wet. And let's see if I can make some kind of a special bubble. I'm going to shake it a little bit. It almost worked. There it is. Can you see it? What's in the center? What shape is it? I made a square bubble. But it's in there. What's going to happen to it when I blow it?
It's gonna pop.
It's going to turn into a what? Let's find out if it turns into a circle or a square. What does it turn into?
Circle.
It's a circle. So the square bubble didn't stay square, did it? No, it didn't stay square. What shape is a bubble? They're all circles. Read it. The shape sphere or circle. What's this? And what's another name for the ball? Somebody said it. It's another shape for the bubble. A sphere. Everybody say it. Sphere. Touch my bubble. Oh! What happened to my bubble? Oh! What happened?
The first time I did it, it didn't.
But this time it popped, didn't it? You did the right thing. All right, go sit down. Come here, sweetie. Get your finger wet all the way up to the knuckle. Now watch. I have a special magic friend here. We're going to put the little bubble. Put your finger inside just a little bit. Stop, stop, stop. Do it again. Just a little bit inside the bubble, okay? There you go. Stop right there. Look at her finger. She's magic. Where is her finger? Inside the bubble. Pull it out slowly. Did it pop this time?
No.
What did she do that was different?
She wet her finger.
A little bit louder. Say it again. She wet her finger. Just wipe on your. She wet her finger, so if your finger's wet, if you put your finger in the bubble outside, is it going to pop? No, it's not going to pop. Now, I have a grown-up question for you. I'm going to get everybody outside. Now, take a look at this bubble. What colors do you see in that bubble? Somebody says rainbow, somebody says green, blue, what else? Kind of pink, what else? Blue. Does anybody see a yellow? Yellow, wow. Now, we're going to compare and contrast something big for the grown-up people. What's this? It's a rainbow. Let's talk about the colors. Red. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now, these are the colors in a rainbow. Say them. Green, blue, big word, big people. Magenta. And let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many colors in a rainbow? 6. How many colors in a bubble? 4. Oh, are they the same? No. Let's look at them. Is there red in a rainbow? No. Is there orange in a rainbow? No. Is there yellow in a rainbow? Is there green in a rainbow? Is there blue in a rainbow? Is there violet or purple in a rainbow? No, but what new color is in a rainbow? Magenta. And magenta is kind of a mix of some red, a little orange, and some purple. So there are different. So when your mommy say, oh, we're going to make a rainbow bubble, what are you going to tell them? The colors aren't the same. They're a little bit different. I've got another question. What can make a bubble? Not just soap and water, but you have to have a bubble maker. What kind of a bubble maker do you need to have? You need to have a bubble wand. You need to have something that has a hole in it. Does this have a hole in it?
Yes.
Can you make a bubble out of it?
Yes.
Does this have a hole in it?
Yes.
Can you make a bubble out of it? Try it. Little ones, you're right. Little ones out of this one. No. Do you know why they're little bubbles? The holes are little. You're absolutely right. Now, look at my shoes. Can I make a bubble out of it?
No.
Look at them again.
Yes.
Why?
There's a hole.
Because they're holes. Am I going to do it?
No.
But I could do it. Now, can you make a hole? Can you make a bubble out of this?
Yes.
Why?
Because it has holes.
It's got holes. Can I make a bubble out of this?
Yes.
Because it has.
Holes.
Can I make a